So you wanted to do a giveaway? Okay, let's do a giveaway. But you got to stick around to the end of the video to find out actually how to win. Here we go. We're going to be giving away one of these Spags bags, guys. We're going to tear into the sucker real quick. I have not even opened it yet, but we're going to be giving one of these away for free. From what I understand, it's about $165 value a year ago. But yeah, it's going to be worth much more than that. So let's go ahead and get into it. So taking a quick look at it, it actually looks like it's a pretty tough bag. Can I find a tag on here someplace? Pretty sure it's not an El Chinese job. It looks like it's a water bladder bag. Let's go ahead and see what's this. We got a road atlas. Oh yeah. And you know how, guys, if you don't have one of these in your get home bag, I don't even know what to say to you. Let's see, what do we got here? We got an Explorer Be Prepared compass. Yeah, the needle's moving, guys. I mean, there are some more expensive ones on the market, but I tell you what, Explorer is not a bad brand. So I'm going to count this as a plus. Let's go ahead and move this bag off, and I'll start pulling. Let's move it over here. You can still see what I'm doing here. Let's go ahead and pull off. Let's see what's up front. I like the bag because I love to be able to put the like things on here, like my jacket or a rag or just something I need to shove in there. I don't have time to do anything. I also like this. This is a stow area where you could like wrap a bag, or you could wrap your poncho up and click it on there. It does have the all of the netting for venting as far as drying things out a little bit. So I'm liking the bag. It is basically where you put the water bladder in it. Oh, this is a good kind. Pull that back a little bit, and you squeeze that with your teeth, and water comes out. So yeah, this is good. You don't no chance of mechanical failure. I do like that it has a sleeve on it. It's a nylon sleeve, a nylon cloth sleeve, and that's going to keep any algae start to grow inside of it. So it's definitely going to help. It's also going to protect it. So I like the bag. There's just a little bit of padding in here, but I think if we're just going to use this as a get-home bag or whatever, then it's going to be pretty good. It seems like it's really lightweight. So let's go ahead and take a look at the, what do we got? Anything in this front little pocket? Nothing. Crap. But that's okay. You can use that front pocket for anything you want to. In fact, I believe when Spags put this together, if you guys don't know this, Spags has his own YouTube channel, do me a favor. I'll put a link down below for you guys to go find Spags' channel. Please do, since he did donate this for a giveaway. He's the one who makes these. Also, you can find these. I'll put an email address below if you want to buy one from, I'm trying to remember who, was it Grumpy Acres Farm is the one who actually sells these for Spags. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and open one. There's a lot of stuff in here. All right, let's see here. We got some trail mix made by myhoneys.com. Okay, what do we got here? Ingredients: coconut, cashew, pecans. All right, this is trail mix, dude. Yeah, okay. And we got one, we got two, and let's see, what else do we have here? We've got, Grumpy Acres. What do we got here? Oh, you know what? I heard about this. Yeah, freeze-dried Skittles. That's the good stuff. Let's put this stuff over here. Oh, there's more trail mix. I like it. We'll put that over there. What do we got? We've got a water filter made by Practical Survival. I've actually endorsed this product several times. I can actually leave links for all of these products if I can find them down below in case you're just interested in the one item. But obviously you want the whole bag, right? You want the Spags bag, and I hope so. All right, so we're going to open that, and that pocket's empty. Let's go into the main pocket. We're running out of room here, guys. We're running out of room. I should have raised the camera, but it's a real pain in the butt. Okay, so zippers. All right, come here, zipper. There we go, zipper. Let's open this puppy up all the way. All right, what do we got here? Let's see here. Wow, non-toxic cold packs. All right, so these are cold compresses. I like this. Guys, you get yourself a sprained ankle and you need to put cold on something, this is the stuff right here. If you just need to put it like on your forehead because you're overheated, you could do all of those things. But having a little bit of medical stuff in there, that's definitely good. It's definitely good. Let's see what else we got in here. And anybody starts to criticize this bag, hey, it's free, right? So shut your pie hole. What do we got here? It's a boo-boo kit. I like it. It's a boo-boo kit, and it's wrapped up. It's Looks like it's got a little bit of everything. I see some ibuprofen, some sterile gauze, some Band-Aids. It's a boo-boo kit, but I love the waterproof case. I love it. It's lightweight. What else do we got in here? What do we got? What's this? Emergency survival blanket. Reflects body heat. Water wind resistant. Compact, lightweight. 48 by 84. There's a picture on the back. All right. I like this. Let's see here. Man, it looks like half of it might be camouflaged. Who knows? I'm not going to open this because I'm going to give this away to you guys. But this is brand name. This is no Bobo stuff. This is the good stuff. All right, what do we got here? We got some chem lights. All right, let's see here. This is a battery-free. Of course it is. It's a chem light. Okay, so this is actually made by Humvee. That's interesting. I didn't know Humvee made chem lights, but you know what? These are, let's see, how long? 12-hour glow sticks. That means they're super bright. I got a green and I got a blue, so magic. Oh, I got a pocket. I got a knife here. What do we got here? This is made in Sweden. Oh, wow, look at that. This Mamorkin. Ooh, look at that. This is it's a field knife, guys. It's a field knife. It's that easy. It's a free field knife. I don't know if anybody would ever actually complain about getting a free field knife. Let's see. What else do we got here? What's this? What's this magic? Oh, these are cool. The Behemoth Stormproof Sweet Fire. These are giant matches, guys. These are giant matches. They're actually pretty cool because it lights and this is all tinder. So you could actually, it's a fire starter. Strikeable fire starter. Pa-cha! What else we got in here? Anything good? Oh, what's this? All right. Elite First Aid Inc. Universal Splint. It's a SAM splint, guys. It's a SAM splint. If you don't know what this is, look it up. Look it up. I'll put some links below so you guys can figure out what a SAM splint is. This is awesome to have inside here. It's lightweight, super durable. You can brace a broken arm. You can splint a wound or splint a limb. This is an excellent piece of kit right here. I can see why this thing is so... Oh, look at that. Look what else came in there. There we go. Pa-cha! This bag's unfiltered, guys. Go find this guy. He's on YouTube. Let's see. We got anything else in here? All right. Hand warmers. When you're cold and suffering, hand warmers are the bomb. This is the real deal. Culligans, dudes. So we got, it looks like there's at least 3 or 4 of those puppies in there. These suckers are the good ones, too. Lasts up to 6 hours. And let's see if there's anything else inside here. Oh, a water bladder. There's a water bladder. It's actually, the water bladder actually comes inside of the bag. Say it isn't so, guys. I'm just going to go and push that right back in there. And I'm pretty sure that that's going to be it because I don't feel anything else inside the bag. Guys, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. This is a free bag. Now, what I haven't told you yet is how to win this bag. Oh, you're still here. So here's how you win. First, you have to be a subscriber. Second, you have to write the word giveaway in the comments. If you don't meet both of those criteria, you can't win. Drawing will go on March 3rd. So get in there. Go down there now. Until the next time, stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.